Well, it's obviously that I'm the sister of Tob Cohen, you must know already, since it's been in the press for 7 weeks. And I'm grateful to all the help that I got in Kenya. It's unbelievable what she was possible to do to him. I did see his body. It's terrible. I don't know what the word is, but it was with ropes and I don't know what. I'll spare you all.
Details.
I don't know what to say. What do you want me to say? It's disgusting what happened.
We are in shock. We are very grateful to the police. They did an incredible job. You can be proud to have such an investigation police. I think in that respect Kenya is really top. What happened is unbelievable.
Okay.
The July 20th, when we couldn't reach Tob, my wife, first reaction was, he has been murdered.
He's dead, I said.
Yeah. I told her, no, he's maybe a weekend away of playing golf. Let's wait till Monday, Tuesday. Well, we didn't get contact with him. When we were in Brazil, we came back to Holland, put him missing, and we knew something terrible had happened. But without the help, and also the help of the Dutch police and your police, we would not have come this far. And so quick. We are, in that respect, we are very sad, but also very, very grateful.
Okay.
It's a very mixed feeling.
Maybe enlighten us, your presence here.
To start with, Tob Cohen'S has been my friend for close to 30 years.
32 years.
We've been very close. We played golf together just a few days before he disappeared. On the night he was murdered, I talked to him from 9:45 to after 10. And he was very, very, very concerned about his life. He never hid the fact that if anything happens to him, if he is found dead anywhere, Sarah, his wife, would be responsible. And he had complained to the authorities over the same issue. Sarah had about 3 weeks ahead to cover this crime. Because it came to me about 2.5 weeks after he had disappeared. At that time, Gabriele, his sister, had raised some concerns that he couldn't find him. They would talk on a daily basis, 2 to 3 times, that he can't find her brother. So a friend of mine, Mugai, called me. He was in India. He told me, look, our friend is missing. Cohen is missing. It came to me immediately. And I was reminded what he told me, that in the case of anything, my disappearance, my body being found anywhere, Sarah is responsible. So in myself, I had already judged Sarah that she had a hand in this matter. And yesterday in the press conference, his lawyer, Murgor, mentioned my name and said I was making some wild allegations about Cohen not being found, that he was safe, he was coming back. Now today, it's come out clearly that my greatest friend is no more. And I would like to thank you, the media, because when it disappeared, you have reported it very, very positively.
Yes.
And especially the nation.
Yeah, fantastic.
But we knew ourselves that Cohen wasn't going to be with us. Sarah made numerous press conferences. You remember some when she's telling, what message do you have for Cohen? Oh yes, Cohen, wherever you are, please come out. Your family, we love you, and the rest of it.
And don't worry.
The wedding we are talking about here, I attended the wedding of her daughter here, in this same compound, sometime last year. And I noted that Cohen was nowhere, neither appreciated, during his adopted daughter's wedding. A girl he has educated in Netherlands, with the best degrees. People he's taken care of. I noticed that he was totally sidelined. Nobody, Sarah and his people. And then Cohen told me, look, we are not wanted here. Let's go in there and have a drink. We went to the veranda behind here. We had a drink. But Cohen decided he was going to say hi to the guests. When he came down here, took the microphone to say hi to the guests, Sarah stands up, grabs the microphone from Cohen in front of all the guests, and tells the guests, you are not wanted, you do not own this home, you are talking nonsense. So when you put all these things together, you come a situation whereby murder most full, as they normally put it. Love is love, but the divorce is murder. This is what has happened to Cohen. And I would like to thank the CID, especially the director of CID, who has personally been here several times conducting these investigations. Now Sarah is condemned. The law will take its own course. If she murdered for Cohen's properties, like this property, she's not going to get it. If it is a business she ran with the Cohen, which only meant to promote the golf and about golf and myself, the business is dead because no golfer in Kenya will do business with the Sarah, having killed her husband in her care of a business. So this is a great lesson to these women, that all to men, that this is bad. This is not the right thing to do. So thank you very much, and let's hope that Sarah gets washed.